Hi, today in front of me VIVO IQOO U5X and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to do that, we should press and hold the home screen, the empty space on the home screen for a few seconds. Then you'll see here a widgets icon. Just tap on this icon, and after that you'll see here all of the available applications, which widgets we can add. For example, we can see that the clock application got 3 different types of the widget. The Gmail got 2 of them, the settings only 1, YouTube Music also got these 3 of them. For example, let's add the calendar widget. Let's just press and hold it and drag it to the home screen to add it. If you want to move this widget here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you want to resize it, just hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller by this way. And to remove it from the home screen, we should just hold it and tap the remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.